What's up, boys? We got a quad and she runs. Today we're gonna be seeing how many wheelies we can actually get going and how many times we can keep it up and for how long we can keep it up. Might throw a little top speed test in, we don't know. But we gonna get to the wheelies right down now. Boys, when we're doing wheelies today, we gotta be careful. Take a look at this. That to me sounds like disaster, but we'll see. Are y'all ready for this? I don't think y'all are ready for this right now. We got T behind the camera. We got E up on the rig, clipping up the helmet. You know how it is, boy. Watch this first kick start, boy. Today, I wanna rock some wheelies, boys. It's gonna actually be stupid. She's all warmed up. She's ready to eat, man. I don't think y'all are ready for this. All right, we gotta be careful, gang. I just put my foot back here one time and it was out. It was out, bro. We have to get a towel for this. All right, here we go, boys. Me, man, that was actually a bad one. It's quite slick, man. She's pretty slick. She feels boggy too. Oh man, I'm soaked. All right, we got this one right here. Boy, something feels different. It's not how it used to be. Something's different. It's not how it used to be. And we might swap out and get T on this because I need him to see how I'm just not bad at this. I'm actually good. Pop it. Boys, she's slick. All right, the helmet, she's slick. She pops up a little too fast than what she used to, and she's burning blue or white. What color is that? You know, for falling over twice, I didn't do too bad with the grass stains, I think. We're gonna get T strapped up on this rig and we're gonna see what he can do.
Almost went into the trees on that one, boys. Not gonna lie, kind of forgot I was mic'd up. Maybe 2 feet on the back.
I was doing
Maybe 2 feet on the back. Okay, maybe not 2 feet on the back. I was actually getting some good wheelies last time I was on this thing. I lost my fucking mojo. All right, here we go. Can't do it anymore. Okay, hold on. This is the one. Dude, I just pinned it through that puddle and now I'm full of grass and shit. Gotta wipe off. 2 feet back up. 2 feet back up. Harder than I remember. Evan's right, something is different. It feels different. It definitely feels different. It's farting good. Seems like I can only get power wheelies in right now though, which is kind of pissing me off. There we go. Okay, that wasn't bad. My knee is hurting on this seat though, I'll tell you that much. All right, a little less on the brake, a little more on the throttle. Why do I gravitate towards every tree? I feel like I'm not going towards a tree and then I end up right in front of a tree. Both ways. Gotta lean back more. Let's see what Evan has to say. A mosquito on your hand. Camera hand. It's still there. Still there. All right. Evan's right. This does feel different. This feels very different. But in a way, it feels kind of better. I feel like we were kind of used to like not as good performing, and now it's like running pretty decently. She's breathing good. She's farting good. I had her up for a bit there, but every time I get her going, I'd end up with a fucking tree in front of me. So I had to slow it down. I feel like I'm learning again from the last time I was here, because last time I was here, I feel like I was fucking getting them like decent the whole time. But there's something different about today. I was getting a couple that felt good though. I just gotta be fucking, I think, less aggressive on the brakes when I'm up high. Just feather the brake instead of fucking full grabbing it. But other than that, I think fucking a couple more tries and we'll both fucking have it pretty down.
Yeah, I'm not sure really what it is and why it's like that. I didn't add it or do anything to it to make the quad feel like it pops up faster.
It does.
But it does. I mean, y'all seen in the first 2 shots, I was popped up on my ass, bro. Like, yeah. That hasn't happened to me in a minute.
And what was the top speed in the last video? It was like what, like 48?
48 kilometers, I think.
It was 48, right?
Yeah.
I bet you it goes faster today.
It feels like it goes faster today.
Guarantee it goes faster today. Should we do a top speed on it?
I think we should do a top speed run. How you feeling about that?
I'm feeling good about it, but the thing is, the road is on a slant, so the top speed run that I did get last time was going uphill, so I'll just start in the same spot and do the same thing as before.
Same top speed? Same top speed,
same place, and then just see how it goes. I think it'll go faster than 48. Even 48 is still pretty fast. If we can get 50 though, just to say that it hits 50, that would be way better. Or even higher, 60, 70, get it? I'm saying 58.7, bro. I'm feeling a good jump.
I'm going like 50, 48, 49.
Nah, it's going faster today.
I don't think so.
I think it's going faster today. All right, speedometer is in the pants. I'll see you guys on the street. Not gonna lose this phone. All phones. Feels like I might lose the phone, y'all. It feels very loose in my pocket. That's faster. That's 100% faster than what it was. Oh no. Oh no, y'all. Oh no, y'all. Not good. Okay, we're back. We're back. So sketchy with the phones in my pocket, dude. I can feel the phone sliding around in my pocket. And it shut off on me.
T's top speed failed. Quad shut off.
Failed.
Died.
I definitely was going faster than what our top speed was last time.
You think?
100%. It felt faster.
The app said 16, so.
The app said 16. The app was full of. If y'all seen on the cam and y'all heard from the mic, I was cruising.
Yeah, he kind of looked like he was cruising.
But it's because I kept putting my hands in my pockets.
Yeah, I didn't want to lose my phone.
I didn't want to lose my phone either. I had 2 phones.
We're gonna run a top speed right now. I don't know if this is fair though, because I'm bigger than T, and the last top speed we ran was with him. So we're gonna see what happens. I mean, I shouldn't weigh too much more. Cooking, boys. Literal cookage. Woo! Call me MX bike on this quad, bro. I think going down, I cruised.
What do you think? What's top speed? 48.1, bro.
I think when you hit power band, that's it. I think it's just 48.
It gives more at the end.
I bet you that 48 was me going downhill too.
Probably. I'm getting mobbed.
Yeah, so we're at 48.1. I think we were 48 point something earlier.
Higher. I think we were higher last time, 48.6 or something.
But you see my ditch bagging though?
Yeah, dude, you almost fucking killed me.
No, I knew where I was going.
And for some reason, I didn't say anything till after because I was so focused on mosquitoes, gang.
I knew where I was because I knew where I was not.
All right.
Back to the scheduled content or what?
Let's go.
How are we feeling about that, boys?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Still mic'd up, we're good. Gee, man, she pops, dude. Like, the amount of pop you get is stupid. Hit those slow boys. My mother's poor grass. Can we get a live action shot? When I do a wheelie here, bro, it feels like the back end of the quad goes like, sinks, dude. It's bad. Things you gotta do to turn this rig, man.
Yeah, very mediocre.
I'm sorry, I just need to talk about the soup we've created. Because you see like the reflection of the soup.
That is soupy.
She's soupy, boys.
That is soupy, man. Gucci, man. Soupy, man.
Man, I feel like Gucci Mane in 2006.
That was a pretty good wheelie.
That actually was a really good wheelie.
This thing is such blast. Dude, I want to try to get it up on the side like that. You think I can?
Yeah, I think you could easily.
They're just stopped there.
you feel about that?
I don't know, they're still crawling around over there. Sketchy. I almost went off the ditch there.
You did?
Not really.
Not really?
Not really.
Are you lying to me right now?
If I would have kept the wheelie going any longer, I probably would have. Beautiful day. I think that was pretty good.